Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Watch Dogs Can't Connect to server error. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important information or steps. And without further ado, let's get on it. The first fix that you can do is to simply reboot your router. So rebooting the router should be your first move when the Watch Dogs Legion can't connect to the server, as of all of these connection issues are usually linked to a slow network. So refreshing the connection by rebooting the router is mostly enough to address these connectivity issues, and it's also a good idea to check the network speed and reset the proxy settings. And ideally, that should be enough to get ahead of these connectivity problems, and you'll be able to connect to the servers in Watch Dogs Legion. Then next, you can also try to switch to an Ethernet connection. So this issue with the Watchdogs not connecting to the server was mostly related to players who were on the wireless network. So it is a good idea to switch on an Ethernet connection even if you have a wired connection. Try to carefully inspect the cable for possible damages. So if the cable is indeed damaged, then you need to get it replaced. And also switching to an Ethernet connection will improve the consistency of your network, and you won't have to worry about network issues again. So get yourself a network cable and hook up your console with the router. And then lastly, what you can do is to power cycle your system. Because sometimes the issue is not with the network but with your console and power cycling. The unit will address these bugs, so it is not rare for your console to run into these network bugs. And you can simply remove power from the unit for a few minutes to address this bug. Just make sure to exit out of your profile and shut down the console before removing power to avoid any loss of progress in other games. And similarly, you're connecting the Ethernet cable and checking the port for possible obstructions is not a bad idea, and hopefully you won't have to bother with more solutions at this stage, and Watchdogs will start working properly or perfectly. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.